Number 1. The 1974 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $9,200, located in Fall Creek, Wisconsin. Powered by a 400 small block engine, replacing the original 350, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a 3.73 rear gear ratio. The transmission and rear differential were recently rebuilt. Overall, the car is in good condition, with well-maintained and appealing paint. The interior retains its classic style with black leather seats and an original-looking dashboard. However, given its nearly 50-year age, some minor rust spots can be found on the body. This El Camino is a unique and eye-catching vehicle, perfect for classic car enthusiasts looking for a combination of muscle car performance and pickup utility. The asking price is quite reasonable, and trade offers involving other classic or sports cars are welcome. Number 2. The 1964 Ford Galaxy, priced at $8,500, located in Citrus Heights, California. A classic station wagon with an attractive pastel green finish. The car runs well, has a clean title, and an active registration. Powered by a 390 V8 engine with straight-pipe exhaust, it also features a rare 4-speed manual transmission for a wagon of this year. The suspension has been modified, with the front lowered and the rear equipped with an airbag suspension for adjustable height. Visually, the interior is well-maintained, with cream-colored vinyl seats showing some wear and stains typical of an old car. There is minor rust in the rain gutters, a common issue for this model. The undercarriage is solid, with no excessive rust. The tires are in good condition, and the car starts easily every time. The price is firm. This wagon is an excellent choice for classic station wagon enthusiasts who appreciate a modified stance. Number 3. The 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $8,500, located in Petaluma, California, equipped with a 6-cylinder inline engine and an automatic transmission. Overall, the car is complete and roadworthy, capable of highway speeds over 65 miles per hour. The exterior needs attention, especially the paint, which is peeling in some areas, but there is no serious rust apart from minor surface spots. The interior remains in decent condition, featuring a new headliner and carpet, though the driver and passenger seats show signs of wear. The brakes are still drum type, and the engine runs well, though the exhaust system requires some repair. The trunk area is tidy, with the floor cover still intact. While not a showroom condition car, it turns heads on the road and is ready for use with some minor fixes and additional maintenance. Number 4. The 1964 Chevrolet Nova 400, priced at $7,500, located in San Jose, California, in relatively good condition for its classic age. The exterior is solid with no major rust, featuring a matte black paint job that gives it a classic and aggressive look. The red wheels with chrome trim add to its vintage appeal. The interior is also in good shape, with a functioning dashboard and instrument panel, including the heater and defroster. Under the hood, it has a small block Chevy 283 with several new components such as a water pump, HEI distributor, Edelbrock carburetor, and Sanderson headers. The exhaust system has been upgraded with a true dual setup, giving it a deeper tone. It runs a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, with recent maintenance on the clutch system and fresh transmission oil. There is a minor oil leak at the oil pan gasket, but a replacement gasket is included. Overall, this is a running and drivable classic, ideal for a family restoration project or simply enjoying a solid vintage car. Number 5. The 1968 Mercury Cougar, priced at $10,000, located in Patterson, California, a classic American muscle car in overall decent condition. The body is solid, with metallic green paint that appears to be older, showing some wear and slight fading in certain areas. The interior has been refreshed, featuring clean and comfortable green and blue seats. The V8 engine runs, but the carburetor needs adjustment for optimal performance. The braking system was recently upgraded with a new brake booster, master cylinder, brakes, and rotors, though it still requires bleeding to function perfectly. The car is equipped with air conditioning, which is a plus, though its functionality is unverified. New tires have been installed, making it safer to drive. Aesthetically, the rear grille and signature Cougar emblems remain intact, and the lighting appears to be in good working condition. Overall, this is a light project that is already mostly road-ready, needing only minor refinements. Number 6. The 1968 Chrysler Newport, priced at $8,000. Located in Easton, Pennsylvania, a classic car that remains roadworthy with complete paperwork and a New Jersey title. It has 96,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a 383 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission. Recent upgrades include a new battery, spark plugs and wires, new belts, new brakes, new valve cover gaskets, and a new fuel pump. The car also features 20-inch wheels with tires in excellent condition. The previous owner repainted the vehicle and applied undercoating for extra protection. The interior is well maintained, with clean front and rear seats. Several new parts, such as a radiator, oil pan gasket, dipstick, and roof liner, are included but not yet installed. This car is frequently driven on weekends and consistently draws attention and compliments on the road. Number 7. The 1960 Ford Galaxy Town, priced at $9,900. Located in Anoka, Minnesota. A classic jet-age sedan with stunning exterior styling, the metallic blue paint is in good condition, with minor blemishes in some areas. Chrome trim across the car is in excellent shape, adding to its elegant and vintage appeal. The interior remains original, featuring a matching blue-green color scheme. The seats are in relatively good condition, with a small hole beneath the sun visor due to rodent damage. The engine is a Ford 223 inline-6, painted bright red, and appears well maintained. It has a 3-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly, and the car is said to drive well with light power steering. The undercarriage is solid, though it has some dirt and oil residue. The trunk is spacious and clean, with a spare tire included. The odometer reads 27,000 miles, though the accuracy is uncertain. Number 8. The 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $5,500. Located in Columbus, Ohio, featuring factory black paint and retaining its original 350 rocket engine. The transmission was replaced with an earlier Turbo 350, and the car is currently drivable with functional brakes. The body is very solid and rust-free, except for the lower driver's door, which needs repair or replacement. The interior maintains a classic burgundy theme, with a dashboard, door trim, and seats in decent condition, albeit showing some aging. The speedometer reads 55,270 miles, indicating relatively low mileage for its age. The car retains its classic 70s muscle car charm, with rally wheels enhancing its aggressive stance. The seller is open to trade offers for classic cars or trucks, particularly Pontiac A-body models, or it can be purchased with cash and driven home. Number 9. The 1936 Plymouth Street Rod, priced at $10,000, located in Stanfield, North Carolina, a unique hot rod with extensive modifications in true hot rodding style. Painted bright yellow with red pinstriping on the hood and flame motifs on the side panels, the exterior has been drastically altered, removing the front fenders and running boards while extending the wheelbase with a dropped I-beam axle for a Model A or 32 Ford-style stance. The body is channeled lower onto the frame for a more aggressive look. It is powered by a Chevrolet small block 350 V8 mated to a GM Turbo Hydra-Matic 350 automatic transmission. The interior is customized in black and yellow, with quilted seats and door panels, while the dashboard features custom pinstriping accents. The paint is in decent condition but has some chipping. This car embodies true hot rodding spirit, offering a distinctive style different from most Ford-based hot rods at a price of $10,000. Number 10. The 1963 Ford Falcon Wagon, priced at $8,500, located in Swamico, Wisconsin. This car has undergone significant modifications since the owner acquired it in 2010. Under the hood, it features a 302 V8 engine from a 1976 Ford pickup, paired with a Borg-Warner T5 manual transmission from a 1986 Mustang, along with an 8.8-inch rear end and drive shaft from the same Mustang. The front suspension has been converted using a Mustang II conversion kit from TCI Engineering, providing modern suspension improvements, front disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors, and a rack and pinion steering system with a new steering column. The braking system has also been updated with a dual master cylinder. Inside, the cabin is equipped with a Bluetooth radio featuring a low-profile antenna capable of picking up all radio stations. The rear suspension includes Monroe adjustable shocks with airbag assist, allowing for height adjustments. Aesthetically, the car has personal touches like side pipes that enhance its aggressive stance. While there are some cosmetic imperfections, the car remains reliable and ready for long-distance trips. Unfortunately, the current owner must sell it due to relocation, and it would be a shame if this vehicle were not continued to be driven. Number 11. The 1965 AMC Rambler 660, priced at $7,500, located in Elk Mound, Wisconsin. This car has been modified into a gasser-style street car. Originally from Arizona, it has undergone significant changes, particularly in its suspension and drivetrain. The front suspension has been swapped for a straight axle, while the rear features heavy-duty front leaf mounts and Caltrac slider boxes, reinforced with subframe connectors. It has a GM 7.5 differential, with a 4.10 gear ratio, mini spool, and Eaton axles. The engine is a 327 cubic inch, bored 40 over, with 2.02 Camelback cylinder heads that have been shaved, producing an estimated 375 to 410 horsepower. It is paired with a big 650 carburetor and a single-plane intake manifold. The transmission is a rebuilt TH350 with a Stage 2 shift kit and a 3,800 RPM stall converter from Freak Show. The fuel cell and battery have been relocated to the trunk, with an external shutoff switch installed. The exterior retains its classic look with a blue and white paint scheme and machine lettering on the side. The interior remains mostly original, with blue upholstered seats showing signs of wear. Number 12. The 1972 Dodge Dart, priced at $8,500, located in Stockton, California. This car runs a Mopar LA 318 V8 engine that operates well without excessive smoke, paired with a Pertronix igniter ignition system for improved efficiency. Several new components have been installed, including a 3-row aluminum radiator, new coolant hoses, a rebuilt power steering pump, and all new accessory belts. The braking system has also been upgraded with new brake hoses, and extra hard brake lines are included. The 727 automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the car remains stable both when driving and braking. The wheels are OEM Chrysler Steelies, measuring 14 by 8 inches in the rear and 14 by 5.5 inches in the front, paired with 205/70/14 front tires and 235/60/14 rear tires that have good tread. The exhaust system features M80 mufflers, delivering a classic muscle car sound. The interior is in fair condition, with green seats matching the exterior, though there are some signs of wear. All windows roll up and down smoothly, and functional features include the heater, wipers, and AM radio. While the factory air conditioning does not work, all components are still present. Overall, this car is in good running condition with some modern upgrades. Number 13. The 1969 Mercury Marauder X100, priced at $9,500, located in Cibolo, Texas. A rare classic muscle car with a distinctive fastback design. Overall, the car is solid, with a straight body and no major damage, though the paint is faded in some areas, and there is surface rust on parts like the hood and front grille. The 429 4V engine and C6 automatic transmission are original and run well, having been upgraded with a Holley Super Sniper EFI system, though the original components are included if the new owner wants to revert to stock. The front suspension has been fully restored, including new bushings, ball joints, and upgraded brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power. The interior is blue with leather seats that remain in decent shape, though some wear is visible. Both the air conditioning and heater function, but prolonged AC use can cause the engine to overheat due to a partially clogged evaporator core. Originally from Southern California, this car has no structural rust, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or collection. It is roadworthy and turns heads, but it could use some cosmetic improvements to reach its full potential. Number 14. The 1962 Buick Special, priced at $3,200, is located in Lincoln, Nebraska. It features a 215 CI aluminum V8 engine and an automatic RWD transmission. The odometer shows 65,000 miles, consistent with the ownership documents. Overall, the car runs, brakes, and functions well, with most components such as lights, gauges, radio, and windows still operational. The frame and crossmembers are very solid due to a previous undercoating treatment. The car has undergone various recent repairs, including a new ignition coil, spark plugs and wires, a new battery and terminals, an oil pump rebuild, a new oil pressure sensor, a rebuilt carburetor, and new valve cover gaskets. The interior has been cleaned, with trim pieces repainted, floors patched and painted with rust reformer, and new carpet installed along with Killmat sound deadening on the ceiling. Some parts still need to be installed, such as the oil pan gasket and new headliner. Mechanically, it has received a new master cylinder and brake lines, new stabilizer links, and new power steering and generator belts. The fuel system has also been updated with a new electric fuel pump and gas cap. This car is an almost completed project and is ready for further restoration. Number 15. The 1980 Pontiac Firebird, priced at $850, located in Marysville, California. This V6 Firebird is in project condition, or best suited as a parts donor. The car has significant damage, particularly in the floor and trunk area, where severe rust and large holes are present. The engine and transmission are still in the car, but their condition is unknown. One of the valve covers on the driver's side has been removed, which may indicate engine issues. The car has no title, and its DMV registration status is unknown. Cosmetically, the body remains relatively intact, though dirty and rusty, with an engine bay covered in dust and debris. The car comes with 4 5-spoke wheels, typical of Camaro models from the 1980s. It is sold as is, with no guarantees of passing a smog test or being roadworthy. Given the amount of restoration work required, this vehicle is more suited for a race car project, a 24 hours of lemons build, or as a parts donor. The seller is offering local delivery within the Sacramento area for the cost of fuel. Thank you for watching. I apologize for the delay in uploading videos as I have been busy, dude.